When you want to transport thousands of people per day from point A up and down to point B within a distance of 50 meters, you obviously don't want to use an airplane or a train. This is a situation where an escalator shines supreme because it can move a large number of people up and down at a consistent speed within a short distance. So let's learn something about the escalators, which are widely used in places like shopping malls, airports, railway stations, department stores, and many other places. Most escalators move at a speed between 0.3 to 0.6 meters per second at an angle of about 30 degrees. With the safety support of moving handrails, escalators have a lot of advantages when compared to elevators. For example, you rarely have to wait for them. They can be used as normal staircases in case of a power cut, and they're available in weatherproof models for outdoor use.
My neck! My neck! Goodbye, cruel world!
Even though standard escalators were invented in Western countries, Japan has its own escalator story to tell to the world. In the 1980s, the Japanese Mitsubishi Electric Corporation was the most successful company at designing a more advanced form of escalators, which were known as spiral escalators. The world's first spiral escalator was installed in the Japanese city of Osaka in 1985. Back to the present, today's escalators are considered a microcosmo of Japanese society, with an emphasis on uniqueness, innovation, and creativity. For example, you can see here the world's highest escalator suspended at 39th floor of the Umeda Sky building. In another location, Japan's tallest building, Yokohama's landmark tower, you can check out this spiral escalator. And the craze of Japanese escalators doesn't end there. Let's visit Kawasaki Station. There, we can explore Moore's department store, where you can find the world's smallest escalator with a total of 5 steps and a height of 83.4 centimeters. Due to its small size, it is called the petite-calator. So when you come to Japan, respect the elevator and don't forget to enjoy the ride.